Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I want to be showing you guys what the energy chew does and grow a garden. So I have one here, and basically the effects is that it refreshes a pet's ability to cool down. So maybe when your Chubby Chipmunk isn't in the Nutty Fever, you can give it an energy chew to refresh its abilities cooldown. Well, maybe you can also do it here. But I suggest giving your Chubby Chipmunk the energy chew when it's not doing the Nutty Fever, because the Nutty Fever itself is already helping the ability for it to cool down, I guess. But here I can try. See, let me just give it to the Chubby Chipmunk, and it's going to refresh the cooldown for my pet. As you can see, I got, well, the Chubby Chipmunk ate, and that is its ability basically, and it's going to give me the acorn. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.